Just a reminder that all proceeds from our YouTube channel are donated to charity. Please help us help others by giving us a thumbs up or subscribing to our channel. Your support makes a difference. For today's travelers, having the ability to quickly and easily convert currency is a game changer. With iOS 18, Apple has introduced a new feature that lets iPhone users convert currency right on their device. In this video, we'll show you how to use this feature and explore its benefits. The ability to convert currency on your iPhone is a real time saver, especially for frequent travelers. No more fumbling with apps or exchange rate calculators. Thanks to iOS 18, you can convert currency with just a few taps. Here's how to get started. Open the built-in calculator app on your iPhone. You can find it in 4 places. The home screen. It comes preloaded and is usually on your home screen. You might need to swipe through a page or two to find it. The Utilities folder. Scroll to the far right of your home screen and locate the Utilities folder to find the calculator. The Control Center. Open the Control Center by swiping down from the top right of your screen, where you'll find the calculator icon next to the camera. This is handy if you need to use it quickly without unlocking your phone. Using Siri. If you're busy, simply say, "Hey Siri, open the calculator app," or use search to find it. Once the calculator app is open, tap the Convert tab at the bottom of the screen. This will bring up a new screen where you can enter the amount you want to convert and choose the currencies you need. iOS 18 supports a wide range of currencies, so whether you're converting from US dollars to euros or pounds to Japanese yen, it's simple. Tap on the currency displayed and a list of possible currencies will open. Just select the currencies you want to convert and tap Done. Make sure you have the 2 currencies you want displayed on the top and bottom, and then enter the amount you want converted. The currency conversion feature in iOS 18 is super easy to use and provides real-time exchange rates. The best part? The convenience. No more searching for Wi-Fi or relying on paper converters. With iOS 18, you can convert currency anytime, anywhere, right from your phone. But that's not all. You can also use this feature to convert other units like centigrade to Fahrenheit, kilometers to miles, kilograms to pounds, and more. Just scroll through the unit options to see what's available. Overall, the currency conversion tool in iOS 18 is a must-have for anyone who travels. And don't worry, you don't need an internet connection to use it. The tool will pull the most recent data, like the last exchange rate you were connected to. We hope you found this video helpful, and let us know if you have any questions by posting them in the comments below. Always remember to make meaningful and healthy travel happen, and we'll see you next time.